strap of 3 cm with 50 cm length, adjuster of 3 cm, swivel hook of 3 cm, strap of 3 cm with 8 half ring, zipper with 22 cm length, zipper with 34 cm length, 2 sliders, 2 rectangles, 2 linings with 2 rounded corners, 2 linings with 2 rounded corners, fabric piece, 2 fabric pieces, fabric piece, fabric piece with 2 rounded corners matching another piece. Align the zipper with the fabric and sew. On the opposite side, find the center and mark it. On the lining, mark the center on the rounded side. Place the lining and fabric right sides together, aligning the centers. Align the straight edge with the zipper and sew again. Sew only on the fabric. Turn the lining inside out and top stitch. Prepare the small fabric piece with the rounded side. Align the straight side with the main fabric over the zipper, right sides together. Fold the lining so it is not caught in the seam. Sew. Turn the fabric and top stitch. Insert the slider from right to left. Fold the excess lining onto itself. Place fabric right sides together and sew. Turn the fabric and top stitch. Align the front fabric piece with the assembled piece and sew. Align the second lining front to front on the sewn side. Sew along the side. Join both linings with a seam. Sew only the linings. Trim the excess lining. Turn the fabric and top stitch. Place the second zipper aligned on the fabric, right sides together, and sew. Find the center and make a small cut in the fabric. On the fabric piece, find the center on the straight side. Align both sides and centers and sew. Turn the lining and top stitch. Insert the second slider from right to left. Place the second lining front to front with the previous lining. Align with the zipper and sew. Join both linings and sew. Sew only the linings. Trim the excess lining. Place the fabric strip over the zipper and sew. Turn, top stitch and set aside. Place the short strap on the half ring and sew to secure. Seal the ends of the strap and threads. Attach it to the left side below the zipper with a small excess and sew. Seal all strap ends and threads. Insert the long strap into the adjuster. Fold and sew. Seal the threads. Insert the swivel hook and pass through the adjuster again. Attach the strap end below the zipper with a small excess. Keep the seams of the strap facing up. Align the fabric pieces and sew. Turn and top stitch. Place both main pieces right sides together. sew around, leaving an opening to turn. Trim excess and seal threads. Turn the piece inside out. Fold the opening edges, close and sew.